We on site, baby. We on site. New doors. About to get new windows. Quick look at the outside. Getting the varnish work done today. It really makes a big difference on a house. You can tell without varnish, with varnish, without, with. Alright, we're going to do a little tour inside the house here. Been renovating, working on for probably about the past year and a half. This is going to be the living room. See, I got my light fixtures in place. Have the hardwood sanded down. They still need to be finished. And here, we're going to have the kitchen. Up against the wall here, we're going to have cabinets. Then you're going to have your countertop up under that window right there with the sink. You can walk on back here. We're going to have the utility room. It's going to be a pretty big utility room. There's back door right there. We're going to have a mud sink here. Hot water heater there. Wash machine, dryer. Went ahead and added a half bath or toilet right there. Walk back out and show you the bedrooms. It's going to be a bedroom here, closet. We got a Jack and Jill bath right here. You can still see it's under construction here, but it's going to look a lot different here in the next day or two. Right here we have the, I guess will be the master bedroom, the biggest bedroom out of the two. Plan on renting it out, maybe owner financing, depending on who comes along. But quick look at what we got going on here. See the trim. Trim makes a big difference. So look, there goes that entryway. Here goes that closet door there. We're still waiting on that door. See, that makes a big difference on the look of the home there. Home's got brand new windows. Everything's brand new. I mean, drywall, insulation, electric, HVAC. It's all new. It's gonna be a really nice home for somebody. You reckon you got enough of it?
I already took one box for you.
Are you serious?
This ain't gonna do it either.
Alright, want to take a quick look at the progress that's been taking place here. As you can see, I got my trim base down. Got my painter over here. He's kind of started painting some. Finally got my cabinets, well, most of them set in place. Still working on the countertop. Of course, dishwasher's going to be there. Stove will be right there. Fridge will be there. Another cabinet there. Really happy with the work that Mr. Gerald Odom did for me with my tile. This is going to be my laundry room. I think it turned out pretty good. Still need to get my plumbing fixture set. This room's kind of a mess, but it's another bedroom. Still gonna need some flooring done. Finally got my bathroom done. I told you it looked a lot different when the tile got in here. Again, really happy with the tile work that's been done for me. It's a pretty look, very clean look. Here's the master bedroom. And that's pretty much it for now. I've got some work on the outside that's still taking place. Probably give y'all a look at that. Still morning time, so that's all.